So after the launch of OnePlus Nord, the company is now all set to launch another Nord series device, this time in the US as well. This phone is named the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and according to the latest report by Android Central, the starting price is going to remain under $400. Now, along with this information, we also got to know a couple of specifications of this phone. The SoC that OnePlus decided to go for this time is the Snapdragon 690, and it was launched a couple of months ago by Qualcomm as the first 5G chipset under the Snapdragon 600 series. It comes with the octa-core CPU featuring the powerful Cortex A77 cores, and there is the integrated X51 5G modem with global 5G connectivity. The base variant of the OnePlus Nord N10 is coming with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The Nord N10 is the first OnePlus phone with a 64 megapixel camera, and just like the OnePlus Nord, there are 4 cameras on the back, where the secondary camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide, then there is a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Finally, Android Central reported that the phone has a 6.49 inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. While it was not mentioned whether it is an LCD or AMOLED, we are hoping it is an AMOLED, just like in case of OnePlus Nord. So that's all we know so far about this upcoming OnePlus Nord series device, and if you remember, there is also an entry-level phone with the code name Clover that OnePlus is going to launch soon, and that phone is going to be priced around $200. Now that won't be a 5G phone, but it has the Snapdragon 460, triple cameras and a 6000 mAh battery. There is no information on when the OnePlus Nord N10 is going to launch, but chances are that OnePlus is launching it after it is done with the launch of OnePlus 8T. So that's it for this video, and do let me know your thoughts about the Nord N10 5G in the comments down below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.